all over the place here, and 2 inches pipe all over the place on that field. This is the system.
How many acres of land we got?
At this point, I'm doing only like 3 acres.
But total acreage we have 18?
But when I have, yeah, I have capacity with this pump. This is the biggest pump from Depot, so I have capacity. I bought the manifold, and you saw the timer right there, right?
Mm-hmm.
I haven't installed it yet. I have to install the manifold, cut all this, and then send pipes that way for 3 more zones, 3 paddocks, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so it's 3 different zones going that way. 1 here, that's 4. 1 in that field, that's 5. So I'm going to be doing 5 zones, and this is what's going to feed. I have my tank down there. The line goes here. It connects to the electricity, and it's got a little pump that will automatically, once I put it on the timer, the minute that pump goes on, the feeder, just like the ones they use for chlorinating in my reverse osmosis system, that's the same system that I have for here. I have all the equipment here. I just been in a bad healthy situation. I have been able to connect everything the way I want it. But it's coming. It's going to be. I have to put a concrete slab here to keep everything from eroding back into the pond. And I did this one pipe right here that has like 200 pounds of concrete holding it from going down. This whole place here has to be concreted, so I don't have that erosion. When I get it done the right way, I want the fertilizer here first.
Right.
When I get it done the right way, you'll be able to do the perfect video. And
well, we got
the video now. This is how it looked before.
This is an excellent example of just normal 18 acres of farmland out here, and you know,
and then
we're gonna put the Aggrand out here. And what is it? What's this called? June 1st. It's Memorial Day, so we'll just say, you know, Memorial Day, June 1st of 2014. And this is a pretty dry, typical southern Florida farm. Got a cow.
Yeah, I have to go across the pond with the pipe, which is possible.
So you're gonna have to go over there. Oh, the gator won't mind you. Yeah. So you're gonna go over there on that side too, right?
Yeah, gonna go on that side.
Yeah, I made sure the tail moved and I saw the belly breathe. I thought it was dead.
What's that? Oh, the pony? Oh, the pony laying down?
It's gonna go, jump in the water, swim back and forth a few times, and then start running.
No, I'm right.
Yep.
I didn't see that coming.
I felt it.
We've been standing there forever.
And that's from there.
Wow.
It doesn't stink. That's one good thing because we use it constantly, so it's not bad.
You'll get in from the water on this side, or?
I have.
And once rainy season starts, this just fills right up, right?
Oh my God, this thing comes up to this pine tree, sometimes up above here.
Oh, goodness gracious.
So that's quite a bit of water right in there.
Oh yeah,
This
never dries out. This is self-fed.
What's the depth of it right now?
Right now, in the middle, I'd say I have 9 feet of water.
So you got 9 feet right now, that deep, and then it's going to come up another 6.5, 7 feet with rainy season.
Yeah.
So you're going to have 15 feet of water sitting here, and that's got to be an acre right there of, you know, just an acre of water.
An acre of water.
Acre of water, 15 feet deep. Lunch. And then the pipe's all laid out there yet, or is it?
No.
No.
I have to go across on this side of the field so that it doesn't interfere with the animals.
Mm-hmm.
It's gonna go. That's why we put the fence.
So you're just starting to put the fence up to keep the animals in.
Mm-hmm. And then from the pipes, I go in. Each one of these fields is going to have. It's the same the same sprinkler heads are going to be removable and placed in the next field when I need the next field water. So it's not like I'm going to irrigate all of the fields at once.
Right.
I get this greenage, I send the animals to eat here, and I take the sprinkler heads and move them to the next field. Because these are very powerful, big sprinkler heads. They will shoot from here, probably across that other corner. And I'll have 3 of them, just 3 sprinkler heads. They are like $200 each.
Right.
They're cute. It's 2 inches of water going through them.
That's some water.
That's a lot of water.
I don't think
Lots
you'll
of
drain
gallonage.
this now.
And,
So you'll basically green up 1 acre of land and then move to the next to green it up, and then the animals will come in and eat that green acre, and then you'll just keep progressively rotating. And how much do you think you're going to save on hay?
I was doing $1,200 to $1,400 during the dry season. I think I'm going to sell about that much. Maybe more.
Gonna save it.
Because I probably don't have to do the pellets and any other.
Sure.
You know, I want my animals to be totally organic.
That's why we're going with the Aggrand.
Eat off the ground, that's it. No pellets, nothing. Just water and grass. 100% organic. It's amazing.
They look so peaceful.
I love this place. If I had not done that thing, that's what would happen.
It's really interesting to see how this turns out with the Aggrand. Because as you can see, it's very dry out here right now. This is what we're talking about here, the Aggrand fertilizer. Got the potash, the fertilizer, and the bone meal. So we're going to be using these 3 products out here, probably in 55-gallon containers, hooking them up to that system over there, have a self-feeding. All done by zone valves. Switch it over to run the bone meal for any type of flowering stuff, because we have some flowers over here growing. So probably on the frontal zones, like where the house is, run the bone meal. The fertilizer is going to go throughout the field. The potash is going to protect from drought, bugs, and root development. So we're going to run that out there too. So this is pretty much how the farm looks now before running any of the Aggrand, and we're going to be putting in an order probably for 3 55-gallon drums tomorrow. Get it shipped out here, get this thing slabbed in, and get these drums hooked up, and start running the fertilizer and seeing how these acres turn out. And once again, if you have any other questions on crop development, or basically what type of product you need to put on your crop, whether it's apples, cabbage, corn, tobacco, zucchini, A through Z, go to easygrown.com and check out the application rates. If you have any questions, send those guys over at easygrown.com an email, and they'll get right back to you as soon as possible. They are out in the field a lot, going around from farm to farm, so they are busy people, and just give them a holler out and ask them for any questions you have. We enjoy doing business with them.